Hey everyone, James here, one of the core contributors at Dtravel. Today I'm going to show you the Dtravel merchant page, the latest development in our product roadmap. The merchant page brings us one step closer to providing hosts and property managers with a complete direct booking site powered by Web3 technology. And of course, it brings us one step closer to building an eventual listing discovery tool for guests. Before getting started, I'd like to note that this is still V1 of the merchant page. We'll be adding more branding elements, customization features, and tools for hosts in the near future. Okay, so here we are. We're currently viewing a live merchant page by Tom of Stazo. And as you can see by the map, Tom's properties are located in the United Kingdom. In the top bar here, you can see the host or business name, followed by the number of bookings the host has completed, as well as an aggregate of all the reviews the host has received and ratings the guests have given. You can also filter by date and occupancy. I've just selected a date range in the future. And now the merchant page displays all of the available properties for my preferred stay. Clicking here brings up host statistics and reviews. Currently, the reviews are being pulled from a host PMS. A PMS or property management system is really a tool that helps hosts manage all of their booking channels, including their Dtravel direct booking site in one convenient location. Unlike third-party booking channels, you can contact the host directly by clicking on this icon. This makes it easy in case you have any questions about a property or the reservation details. Here we have Tom's business email and phone number, for example. So if you have any questions about the listing or really just any uncertainty, you can email Tom, call him, or send him a message on WhatsApp. As a guest, you can either browse the properties using the map view or in a list. On the left-hand side, we have a list view, which displays all of Stazo's properties. Let's take a quick look at a listing. As you can see, once we click in, our preferred date range has been saved, and we can go ahead and complete the reservation when ready. On the listing page, we see the listing description, space details, location, arrival and departure time, amenities, house rules, and cancellation policy. All the information is clearly communicated. And again, if you have any questions, you're free to contact the host directly. So once we're ready to book, you can go ahead and do so. If you'd like to pay with crypto, after you filled out your personal information, you will need to connect your MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is a non-custodial crypto wallet, which enables anyone to securely store and custody their own crypto assets. At checkout, you do also have the option to pay with a credit card. Paying with a credit card incurs an approximate 3% credit card processing fee, which is handled by Stripe, whereas paying in crypto results in virtually zero fees. If you'd like to pay in crypto and save on fees, you can do so using stablecoins like BUSD, USDC, and USDT. Dtravel will also be making TRVL, the Web3 native ecosystem token, for Dtravel a payment option soon. So now that I'm ready to complete the payment, my MetaMask will ask me to sign the transaction. I will click confirm, and the funds are sent from my wallet to the smart contract that facilitates this booking. Jumping back to the merchant page for a second, you might be asking yourself, so how do I find a host direct booking site? How do I actually find these hosts? Well, for the time being, all hosts are responsible for driving their own demand. Hosts can market their Dtravel direct booking site just like any other private business through social media, through SEO, Google search results. We will also be working with some of our earliest adopter hosts to help build case studies on the best ways to increase awareness for the direct booking business. And within the year, we plan to launch a guest discovery tool that will make it easier for guests to book directly with hosts all across the globe. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the Dtravel merchant page. We'll continue to put out videos just like this one with every new development. So let us know what you think by commenting down below and join our Discord to receive the latest updates.